All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions which you have to answer. Is there anything that has made you feel happy recently?
Yes, my friend gifted me a phone, which I was very happy at that time and really feel happy when I use this phone.
Okay, this answer is good, but it is short. So you need to elaborate further and try to use a variety of words in your answer. What made you happy when you were little?
Well, when my parents and someone bought me a gift at on my birthday or any other special occasion, so that makes me feel very
That made me feel happy in my childhood.
that made me feel very happy in my childhood, and I really feel happy.
And I really felt happy whenever I received a gift as a child. Okay, you need to speak more. Your answers are short. Now let's go on. What do you think will make you feel happy in the future?
When I fulfill my dreams and my parents' dream and achieve success in my life and write my parents' name, that makes me feel very happy.
That will make me feel.
That will make me feel happy in future.
Okay. Do you feel happy when you buy new things?
Absolutely, I feel very happy when I buy new things because I like new things and I'm very happy to buy new things.
Okay. Do you think people are happy when they buy new things?
Of course, people are very happy to buy new things because, for example, they love the smell of new car, and I think people are very happy
All
to buy
right.
new things.
Overall, your answers are good, but they are short. So try to add at least 2 to 3 sentences more, and then you'll be fine, right? Okay, let's go on. Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
I am currently a student and enjoying this stage of my life. Being a student, I just have to think about graduating from a good university or a college. Although I have some personal responsibilities, but I don't have to worry about any of the finances or getting a settled job or any of the finances, as I am being supported by my parents. And I think responsibilities become bigger and life becomes busier when you start working. So indeed, I am currently enjoying this stage of my life.
Excellent, very good. In what stage of your life were you the happiest?
I think I was over the moon in my early childhoods, as I was unbothered and do not have to worry about studying, and my parents were always there for me to take care of me. Yes, I was very happy in that stage of my life.
Okay, which stage of your life do you think is most important?
All the stages of life are very important, but my 2 cents on this point is that childhood is the most crucial stage of your life. But it is a decisive stage which is important for your mental, physical and emotional development. So children's brains are like sponges ready to soak up new experiences, new ideas and skills from their environments. So childhood is the most important stage of the life.
Okay, what is your plan for your next stage of life?
Talking about my future plans, I would like to tell you that I want to graduate from a good university and find a satisfactory job, both in terms of pecuniary and mental satisfaction. I would like to support my parents, as they have done enough throughout my life. Yes, these.
All right. Overall, it's good. You're using quite a lot of phrases in your answer, and you used some idiomatic expressions, which is quite good. So I would say keep it up like this. Good job. Thank you.
Thank you.